Having successfully navigated the basics of YouTube monetization, you're ready to level up and dive into more complex strategies to maximize your earnings. Welcome to part 2 of our comprehensive guide on how to monetize your YouTube videos. In this part, we will delve deeper into advanced techniques, diversification strategies, and expert insights that have helped some of the most successful YouTubers amplify their income. While the YouTube Partner Program forms the bedrock of most YouTube monetization efforts, several other avenues could substantially boost your earnings. We will discuss merchandise sales, sponsored videos, crowdfunding, and how to incorporate these into your existing content strategy without disrupting your core audience. We will also explore how to understand YouTube analytics better and how you can use these insights to make data-driven decisions that improve your content and increase viewer engagement. Moreover, Part 2 will examine successful YouTubers' case studies, examining how they've innovatively monetized their content. Understanding their strategies and applying those insights to your channel can further optimize your revenue generation. This guide is designed for those who have a solid understanding of YouTube's basic monetization principles and are ready to take their income to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned YouTuber looking for fresh insights or a rising creator eager to accelerate your journey, you'll find invaluable tips and strategies in this guide to help you achieve your YouTube monetization goals. Engaging your audience. Building a loyal community is essential for monetization success. Engaging with your audience through comments, likes, and shares creates a strong connection. Consider hosting live streams, Q&A sessions, or even collaborating with fellow creators to encourage interaction and foster a sense of belonging. Engaging with your audience is a key aspect of building a successful YouTube channel. Here are some effective ways to engage your viewers and create a thriving community. Respond to comments. Take the time to respond to comments on your videos. Show appreciation for their support, answer questions, and engage in conversations. This not only makes your viewers feel heard but also encourages them to continue engaging with your content. Host live streams and Q&A sessions. Live streams and Q&A sessions are excellent opportunities to connect with your audience in real time. Encourage viewers to ask questions and share their thoughts, and make sure to respond to as many as possible during the stream. This interactive format allows for direct engagement and builds a sense of community. Collaborate with viewers and other creators. Collaborations are a fantastic way to engage your audience while expanding your reach. Consider involving your viewers in your content by featuring their ideas, comments, or creations in your videos. Additionally, team up with other creators to create collaborative content that showcases different perspectives and appeals to a wider audience. Create interactive content. Encourage audience participation through interactive content such as polls, challenges, or contests. This not only boosts engagement but also makes viewers feel involved and invested in your channel. Foster a sense of community. Actively nurture a sense of community by acknowledging and appreciating your viewers. Give shout-outs to active community members, create dedicated spaces for discussions, and encourage viewers to interact with one another. This fosters a supportive and inclusive environment that keeps viewers coming back for more. Diversifying income streams. While ad revenue is a significant part of monetization, it's essential to diversify your income streams. Explore other avenues such as brand partnerships, sponsorships, merchandise, and crowdfunding platforms like Patreon. These additional sources can help stabilize your revenue and provide opportunities for growth. One of the effective ways to diversify your income is through brand partnerships and sponsorships. As your channel grows, brands in your niche may approach you for collaborations. These partnerships can involve creating sponsored content, promoting products or services, or featuring brand integrations in your videos. By partnering with brands that align with your content and values, you can not only earn additional income but also provide valuable recommendations to your audience. Another way to diversify your income is through merchandise. If you have a loyal and engaged audience, consider creating merchandise that represents your brand. This can include t-shirts, hoodies, accessories, or even digital products such as e-books or presets. Merchandise not only allows you to connect with your audience on a deeper level but also provides an additional revenue stream. Remember, diversifying your income streams not only provides stability but also allows you to explore new opportunities and expand your creative business. By incorporating brand partnerships, merchandise, and crowdfunding platforms, you can create a multifaceted approach to monetization and build a sustainable income that supports your passion. Crowdfunding platforms like Patreon can also be a valuable income source for content creators. Patreon allows your most dedicated fans to support you by becoming patrons and gaining access to exclusive content, behind-the-scenes updates, and special perks. It's a way for your audience to directly contribute to your creative endeavors and receive exclusive benefits in return. The importance of analytics. To thrive in the world of monetization, understanding your audience and video performance is crucial. YouTube Analytics provides valuable insights into your viewers' demographics, watch time, traffic sources, and more. Utilize this data to identify trends, create targeted content, and optimize your strategies for maximum impact. YouTube Analytics is a goldmine of information that can help you understand who your viewers are and how they engage with your content. By delving into the data, you can gain valuable insights that guide your content creation process and help you optimize your monetization strategies. With YouTube Analytics, you can uncover which videos are performing well and which ones need improvement. This information allows you to make data-driven decisions about your content strategy and monetization efforts. By identifying your most popular videos and the factors contributing to their success, you can replicate that success and attract advertisers who want to reach your engaged audience. YouTube Analytics can also provide valuable information about your revenue streams. You can gain insights into your ad revenue, channel memberships, merchandise sales, and more by tracking your monetization metrics. This data helps you understand the effectiveness of your monetization efforts and make informed decisions to maximize your earnings. In the ever-evolving landscape of YouTube, staying informed and adapting to changes is crucial. YouTube Analytics gives you the insights you need to understand your audience, optimize your content strategy, and maximize your monetization efforts. By harnessing the power of data, you can make informed decisions that will propel your channel's success and financial growth. Staying persistent and passionate. Monetizing your YouTube channel takes time and effort, but never lose sight of your passion. Stay persistent, keep improving your skills, and never stop learning. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication and resilience, you can turn your YouTube channel into a thriving business. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time, and setbacks are a natural part of the journey. Don't be discouraged by slow growth or temporary obstacles. Instead, use them as learning opportunities and fuel for your determination. Passion is the driving force behind your YouTube channel. It's what keeps you going, even when faced with hurdles. Nurture your passion and let it guide your content creation journey. To stay passionate and motivated, it's essential to seek inspiration constantly. Surround yourself with like-minded creators, engage with your audience, and explore new content ideas. Remember, success is measured by the numbers and your impact on your viewers' lives. Stay true to your voice, share your authentic self, and consistently deliver value to your audience. So, fellow content creators, stay persistent, keep that passion alive, and never give up on your dreams. With dedication, perseverance, and an unwavering commitment to your craft, you can turn your YouTube channel into a successful and fulfilling venture. Congratulations! You've journeyed through the advanced aspects of YouTube monetization, understanding the numerous strategies you can use to optimize and expand your earnings. From harnessing the power of affiliate marketing and sponsored content to utilizing merchandise sales and crowdfunding, you now have a broader set of tools to maximize your YouTube revenue. Remember that successful YouTube monetization results from both strategic planning and creativity. It's about finding that spot between what you love to create, what your audience wants to see, and what generates income. This balance can take time, but the insights you've gained from this guide should give you a robust starting point. Keep an eye on your YouTube analytics to understand your audience better, enhance viewer engagement, and continually improve your content. Never forget that the viewer is at the heart of your success. By creating content that resonates with them while employing the monetization strategies we've discussed, you'll be well on your way to sustainable earnings from your YouTube channel. Remember, the YouTube landscape is always changing. Stay up to date with YouTube's policies, trends, and monetization features to continually adapt and refine your strategy. As you venture forward into your YouTube career, we wish you success, creativity, and, most importantly, enjoyment. After all, YouTube is as much about sharing your passion with the world as it is about monetization. Keep creating, keep engaging, and keep growing. Your YouTube success story is just around the corner,